In this short video, I'll show you how to create a task manager in Excel. For this one, we will utilize an AI assistant tool to make us template for it. So go ahead and choose the one you want. For me, I'll choose ChatGPT. There we go. And we'll enter a good prompt. So something like generate an Excel file, task manager, spreadsheet to automate workflow tracking for marketing teams. There we go. It should also have embedded formulas to already calculate results. Thank you. So give it a sec to generate the Excel file from our prompt. It shouldn't take a while, but once it gives you the Excel file, you should be able to download it. As you can see here, it's given you the possible content of your Excel. There we go. Once you've seen this, go ahead and press it. It should automatically download and you can open it. And there you go. It's given us an example template of a task manager. Now you know how to create a task manager in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.